Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Ashwal, working at Lexis and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. So today in this video I am going to discuss Justice, Judge of Supreme Court or Justice K.M. Joseph's decision or statement in a case of hate speech. What he has said that I am going to discuss with you in this video. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. He said that basically regarding the hate speech, there was a case being filed before the Supreme Court of Honorable Supreme Court of India, and in last previous videos I have already discussed what the case was all about. I have basically briefed the case in videos, tried my best. But this is very important for you to understand what he said in this case. He said that some statements are made to some go to Pakistan. They are those persons who had actually chosen this country. They are our brothers and sisters. He also said that if we want to become a superpower, the first thing we need is rule of law. This is which is very true in nature also. Basically, if we want to, India is central government is promoting, or the Prime Minister of India has said that in his many speeches or many public platforms that India should become a superpower. India will become superpower. But how we will become superpower? It's not about just economically becoming strongest in the world, but it's also about the society at large, how we develop our country. So that's what these things includes, and hate speech plays a huge role in damaging a country's image at world level, right? So that's what he said. I hope you understood what he said. That what is your opinion regarding this? Let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care.